Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 20th, 2024. We have already solved the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. This one has 4 stars. And the other one should be the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 8759. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits this one has. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Well, let me think. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yeah. And now I'm stuck. Nope. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Need an O here. I need an O. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the 4th O should be in one of these 3 boxes. Otherwise, if I place the O there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this should be a 1 then. Let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then yeah, need to think again. What's happening? Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4 in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.